Hello and welcome to Chapter 3, Lesson 5. Today we're going to be subtracting three-digit numbers. Now in the last lesson we did it using models or using pictures. Today we're going to be doing it using numbers, called numerically. A key thing that I wanted to talk about is we need to make sure when we're subtracting larger numbers is that we always start with subtracting the digit in the one place first. Okay, we start in the ones, then we go to the tens, then we go to the hundreds, just like when we're adding. We first add the ones, add the tens, add the hundreds. Same thing for subtracting. So let's get started. All right, here we have example 1. How many more sheets of craft paper does Will have than Lisetta? First, we need to find the unknown, 265 minus 79. How do we know that? Will has 265, Lisetta has 79, and the question says, how many more? Whenever we see how many more, we know we're going to be subtracting. So our first step is to estimate. 265 is about 300, 79 is about 100. So if I'm subtracting that, I would get 200. Here we go, subtracting the ones. 5 minus 9. If I only have 5, can I take away 9? No, which means I need to go next door and get 10 more. So I say, hey, Mr. Tens Place, can I take one of your tens? He says, sure. Now he has 5. He had 6, now he has 5. And I'm going to add 10 to the 5 I already have. So I now have 15 ones. 15 minus 9 is 6. Oh, we're doing it like a one step at a time here, huh? Okay, next step is here. We're doing 6 minus 7. Oh, we're not doing 6 because we got rid of the 6. We have 5. 5 minus 7, can I even do that? No. I need to go next door and say, hey, Mr. Hundreds, can I take 10 tens from you? So I'm taking 100 and making 10 tens. I already had 5 tens, so I need to add 10 to it. Now I have 15 tens. 15 minus 7 is 8. 1 minus 0 is 1. 186 is our answer, also known as the difference in a subtracting problem. Now we're going to check. Okay. So I'm going to take my answer of 186 and I'm going to put it to the top. And then I'm going to add the middle number. Here we go. 6 and 9 makes 15. 8 and 7 makes 15 and one more makes 16. 1 and 1 makes 2. 265. And that's what we got here. Here you can notice it says, is this and this the same? Yes, it is. Addition shows the subtraction answer is correct. Let's check it with our estimate. 265. Oh, sorry, that's not what I'm supposed to write here. Blah, blah, blah. 186 is close to the estimate of 200. So estimation also shows the answer is reasonable. So 265 minus 79 is 186. Will has 186 more sheets of craft paper. Example 2. Denzel wants to buy a remote control airplane for $125. He has $354. How much money will he have left? So we're going to be subtracting. My first step I can do is estimate. 354 minus 125. 354 is about 350. 125 is about 130. So if I do 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 3 is 2. And 3 minus 1 is 2. 220 is what my answer should be about. So let's work on subtracting. 4 minus 5. I can't do it, so I need to go next door. So now I have 4 tens instead of 5 tens. and 14 ones. 14 minus 5 is 9. Or we could say 9 plus 5 is 14. 4 minus 2 is 2, or 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 minus 1 is 2, or 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, so our answer is $229. So we'd get $229. Let's double check. That answer is going to come up to the top, and we're going to add the middle number. 9 and 5 makes 14. 2 and 2 makes 4, plus 1 more is 5. And 2 and 1 makes 3. 354. Are they the same? Yes, they are. Check it off. So our answer, 229, is close to the estimate of 220. So that means the answer is reasonable. Okay, so that means that 354 minus 125 is 229. Denzel will have $229 left. I should put a $sign over here too. And here. Okay, let's try another. Subtract, use addition to check. Okay, 4 minus 8. I can't do it. Go next door. Get 10 more. So I take away 1 10 and add it to the 4. So now I have 14 ones. 14 minus 8 is 6. 5 minus 3 is 2. 7 minus 1 is 6. Okay, so to check, my answer, 626, goes first. Then the middle, 138. Now we add, and hopefully we are going to get 764. 6 and 8 makes 14. 3, 4, 5, 6. And 6 and 1 makes 7. 764. Are they the same? Yay! They are the same. Okay, here we go. The next one. 4 minus 7. Can't do it. Go next door. Take with the 1 10 away. Now I have 14 ones. 14 minus 7 is 7. 0 minus 5. I can't do it, can I? So I need to go next door and get 10 more. So instead of 600s, I would have 500s. And instead of 0 10s, now I have 10 10s because I traded them out for 100. 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay, so I'm going to be taking my answer, 157, adding it to my middle number here, 457. To see, hopefully, I'll get 614. 7 plus 7 is 14. 5 and 5 makes 10, plus 1 more would be 11. And 4 plus 2 is 6. 614, are they the same? Why, look at that. Yes, they are. Check it off. So it says, why do we need to rename the tens place twice in exercise 2? Well, because the first time we went through, we took 1 away from it. The second time we went through, we had to add back to it because we couldn't take any more away. All right, let's look here at some practice problems. All right, so here we're going to do 8 minus 9. Can I do it? No, there's not enough. Go next door. Get 10 more. Now I have 18 minus 9. 18 minus 9 is 9. Okay, I'm going to have to rename this group again because I'm left with no 10s. So I have to go over to the hundreds and say, hey, Mr. Hundreds, can I have a hundreds? He said, sure. So then now I have 10 10s because that's an equal exchange there. 10 minus 1 is 9. 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay, now let's check. 199 plus 319 is 9 and 9 is 18. 9 and 1 is 10, plus 1 more is 11. 3 plus 2 more is 5. 518, are they the same? Yes, check out. Okay, let's do another one over here. 1 minus 9, can't do it. Go next door, take a 10 away. Now I have 11 ones. 11 minus 9 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. And 6 minus 2 is 4. 412. Now let's check. 412 plus, notice I'm doing the opposite, right? First we were subtracting, then I checked with adding. Plus 229 equals, 9 and 2 makes 11. 2 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 641. Yes. Checks out. All right, so this is pretty similar here. I'm not going to do these two because they're exactly the same as the last ones. But let's take a look here where it says subtract to find the unknown. That just means subtract. So you're just going to write the numbers on top of each other. 599 minus 284. Well, no regrouping here. First we start with the ones. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 8 is 1. 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay. So our unknown is 315. Just want to do a little example there so you didn't get confused when you're doing your homework. Your independent practice. So there we go. Thanks for watching to the very end. Let me know if you have any questions. We'll see you later. Bye.